Alright guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you how to roll the sleeves of your t-shirts. This comes with a little bit of a warning since we are going to use a safety pin. So there is always the tiny danger of you breaking yourself. So just keep that in mind. So I want to show you 3 different ways you can do this, or at least talk a little bit about 3 different ways. So the first way that we're going to do this is the temporary way, the most temporary way. So the way that we are going to roll the shirts here is that we are going to, by the way, I'm wearing blue. What's happening? So let's roll this t-shirt then up. I like to find the point here where the cuff is. So that's usually where the stitches are. If you have some fancy t-shirt that does not have these stitches, just go about centimeter or I don't know, half an inch, something like that. It's the easiest point to roll here. So we're just going to roll it all along the side here, like this. So depending on how long your t-shirt is, that kind of dictates how far up you should roll it. Just a little warning number 2 here. It can look very stupid very easily if you're trying to be fashionable and roll it too far up. So usually even this would be pushing it for me, but let's do one more round here. Of course, if it's for more utilitarian reasons that you're rolling it up, of course you just ignore what I just said. But if you want to look cool, you know, this is probably starting to push it. So as you can see here now, it's pin rolled up. So one of the issues when you do it like this is that it often starts to unravel, especially if you're doing a lot of stuff. This part under here starts to unravel. So a very easy fix for this, as you probably saw coming, is to use a safety pin. So what we're going to do here is that we're going to take a small safety pin. Anything bigger than this, this is my finger for reference, I would probably skip, as it's going to be very apparent that you're wearing a safety pin. So again, a little bit of a stab warning here. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to roll back the t-shirt slightly, and we are going to put the safety pin in the innermost layer. So you want to make sure that you don't put it anywhere near the outermost. So I'm just going to put it through the innermost layer here. And you can roll the t-shirt back up like normal. And then of course the third way is that you can get some simple sewing kit or something and just put a couple of stitches around it to secure it. That's very permanent. I would prefer to use the safety pin since you can take it off when you get tired of it. But that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this series. Next time we're going to have a look at how to fold pants and how to roll pants. Everything about pants. So get excited for that. If you enjoyed this series, give it a thumbs up and I will see you next time.